Today we're going to talk about the problems that we have in the MIGI Daytona, which I just recently purchased with this guy, my cousin Arvin. We're gonna fix this car up and put it for sale. So the problems that we have, first of all, it's the brakes. They need to be bled, and there's some wiring problems. I can show you here. If you can see, there's a lot of scramble wires, and there's no radio, but there is a amplifier in back here. You can see, and this doesn't work, the blinker, and none of these gauges are working. And I test drive the car. It's a little bit wobbly. It needs to be balanced. All wheels needs to be balanced, and also it needs alignment as well. As long as the engine goes, I haven't seen any problems with it. And today we're gonna go over how we can do the bleeding of the brakes. See it, but the reservoir is down there. There's no access through here because it's a replica. and to do bleeding the brake, we need to take out the wheels, the farthest one. So if the reservoir is right there, we're gonna take out the wheel on the far left side, opposite side. So this side right here. And then I'm gonna be using this right here from AutoZone. I don't know what it's called, empty the bottle with reach. So basically you just put it there through, let me show you. You connect it to the bleeder connection, which is right here, usually next to the brake line, and you apply the brakes like 5-6 times until you get the bubbles out. And then you do that here on this side, then the other side, and then on the right side, and the closest to the last. And then each time you do it, you gotta put some brake fluid in the reservoir, which is gonna be pain in the ass because it's all the way down there. All right, I'll show you guys. Oh, it's leaking from here?
Bruh.
No way.
Oh,
It is.
issues. Got issues.
Okay, now get in if you can, Arvin. Pump the brakes like 5-10 times.
Shouldn't you get out of this way?
Water. Yeah.
Yeah, that's, yeah.
No more air.
So all those YouTube videos watching cars. That's why. We are screwed.
You see that bubble? It was in the car.
Ah, so that's what's screwed. Is it good?
That's not. What the fuck? Okay, aluminum plug. For fuck's sake. Okay, are you ready? Go. Off the. High brake. Find it brake. Brake is good. That's probably why.
Is that first?
Yeah, that's first. It's like a third on regular cars.